This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam plugin, an affordable security camera with instant motion alerts. I've been using it for a few months and have tested many smart cameras in the past. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know before you decide to buy it. Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Stick-Up Cam, a power adapter, installation hardware, a user manual, and a security sticker. Setting up the Stick-Up Cam is super easy. Just place the camera on a flat surface or mount it on the wall, plug it into an outlet, download the Ring app onto your phone, and follow the instructions to connect it to Wi-Fi. The whole process took me just a few minutes. Using this camera has been just as simple. The app makes it easy to control and monitor everything in real time. I can adjust the live view, receive instant notifications, use two-way audio, and more anytime from anywhere. It's incredibly convenient. I really like the design of this camera. It comes in two colors, black and white, and has a sleek, minimalist, and modern look. It's compact too, measuring about 4 inches high, 2 inches wide, and 2 inches deep, so it doesn't take up much space or stand out too much. Plus, its weather-resistant design makes it easy to use outdoors without any worry about it getting damaged. I'm really impressed with this camera's video quality. It delivers 1080p HD resolution in real time, along with color night vision, so you can see clearly even in complete darkness. While the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro has slightly better resolution and the Ring Floodlight Cam includes built-in lights, this model stands out with its expansive 130-degree diagonal, 110-degree horizontal, and 57-degree vertical view, ensuring you never miss a thing. Unlike those other models, this one lacks a remote-activated siren, but its sleek design and versatile indoor and outdoor use make it a great choice overall. Personally, I'd pick this over the other two, since it offers the best of both worlds without taking up too much space. In conclusion, I really love using the Ring Stick-Up Cam. For me, it's a great addition to any smart home security setup, offering reliability, convenience, and solid performance at the end of the day. If you're in the market for a new security camera, I strongly recommend this one.